Oh yeah, at Bradwell Marina. Come over yesterday from Brighton Sea. It was supposed to have been a nice day yesterday, but unfortunately about 2 o'clock hit a big bank of fog. Going back to the boat now, almost ready for off. It's 9:45. Going to go up the Blackwater today, explore up there. Not sure about tonight, might Goldhanger Creek, maybe the Furslet Creek, or off Osea Island maybe, I don't know. We've got another night out and then got to be back in the mooring for about 3 o'clock tomorrow. All ready for the off. I was going to go up Osea Island yesterday, but because the fog come in, couldn't see a thing. Probably about a 50-metre radius of being able to see anything. So I decided to come into here. It's quite an easy way in. It's more or less on the entrance of the Blackwater, so it's quite a nice stop off really. Decent marina, £18 a night for this size boat. Easy to get in and out. Let's see where we can go. Put the sails up and we've gradually no longer ground, although it's pretty touch and go. According to the chart, we wouldn't be banging around the middle of the channel, but obviously there's medium bars around here, a bit like the don't know the area that well, so just play it by ear really. Put the lightweight, you know, up the nylon one. Not expected to have any more than 10 knots of wind today. So the lightweight push us along a bit better than what the heavier one will. Most of this will be underwater shortly. High tide's about 20 to 1 to 2 today, I think. So it's only 10 forward, so there's plenty of time before high tide. Playing it by ear coming down here because I really don't know the channel. I'm going by the chart, but the chart doesn't seem to be very accurate. I think we're dragging again. Yeah, we've stopped. Not in a hurry, so it doesn't really matter. Even over here, there's still only 4 feet. Water's here. Coming to the mouth of the river though. Down along now. GPS speed 4 knots in 8 knots of wind. It's not bad because it's almost coming. Well, we're running, to be honest. It's quite tight. I didn't realise it was like that. All the sails are a bit tighter. All the red streamers are running rear, means the sails set nicely. We've got Ray steering. SD1000 telepilot, it's ideal for a boat this size. I'm going to run up to hopefully Osea Island. I hope the wind keeps up. This is ideal. 4 to 5 knots is comfortable cruising speed. Still a bit misty. Here we are again, motoring, absolutely no wind whatsoever, 0.0 knots of wind on the gauge. It's crowing a little bit now, but it's because obviously the wind we're generating by going along, but there's absolutely nothing. Look, the water's like a sheet of glass. Beautiful day, the sun's lovely and warm, it really is. T-shirt wherever this carries on.